What is going on, guys? Okay, so this month I was supposed to be on vacation. I came from Italy, went back to my hometown, Oklahoma City, and I'm chilling. And before bed every night, I like to get on Facebook, I like to get on Craigslist and just look at stuff for sale. I think a lot of us do that. And I'm checking it out, looking at some really good deals, and then all of a sudden something catches my eye. Boom, this beast right here. It's a 1997 KX250. Dude says it needs a bottom end, and the bike looks nice. Dude's only asking $600, and I spot these wheels. These wheels look super nice. This pipe, this is like an FMF pipe. Hopefully it's in good shape. So I go check it out. Alright, so I ended up getting the bike. Little bit of an impulse buy. Shouldn't have bought a bike. I'm just here on vacation. But yeah, we got it taken home. So here it is. Here's my 1997 KX250. And it's a little clapped out. Let's go over everything that's bad on the bike, because it's a little bit of a long list. It's not too much. I should be able to get it done while I'm still here and get a good few rides in. So the first thing that needs some attention is the engine. The seller stated that it needs a bottom end, and he took it to his shop and they quoted him $650 to repair his crank and get it all working. So I called the shop up and asked them if they remember the bike, and they confirmed that it does need a crank. So we're gonna have to split these cases and put a new crank in it. As for the top end, the guy said the top end was okay and he put it back together, but he didn't put the piston back in for some reason. I guess he figured, he was gonna take it back apart anyway to do the bottom end. It's kind of stupid, but here's the piston. He said it's fine to use, but I'm definitely not gonna use that. So I went ahead and ordered a top end kit as well with the bottom end, all Wiseco. And we'll go ahead and throw new top end and new bottom end, new bearings, new gaskets, everything in it. The carburetor needs definite attention. It's really gunked up. You can see it. Try to give it some throttle. It barely even springs back. So we're gonna have to take that apart, clean everything. Hopefully it's all good and just needs a good cleaning, because I didn't order anything for a carburetor. The last thing that's bad on it is these forks. They're super greasy. I had the bike tied in my truck, tied down with just a little bit of pressure on the forks themselves, and they leaked oil like crazy. Just a ton of oil just globbed out. So I went ahead and ordered new bushings and new seals. So we'll take those apart and get those fixed while we're doing the engine. Shouldn't be no big deal. And the last thing I ordered for this bike was a set of plastics. You can see the rear fender is seen better days, and these graphics are just old. It's probably spent some time outside, but we got the whole set graphics, and we got a whole set of plastics. I also went ahead and got a new seat cover to throw on there to make the bike just look pretty nice. So let's go over some of the positives that this bike has. That the reason I think I stole this bike are these wheels. They're kind of dirty right now, but man, these things look brand new. They're Excel, I don't know how to say this, Takakago rims, and then it has Talon hubs. And like I said, man, these things are just nice. There's barely any scratches on them. The tires aren't too bad either. There's the Excel Takasago. Cool. And then the rear one is a Talon hub as well. So I think that's awesome. Those are some pretty expensive wheels. And then another cool thing about this bike is it's got a FMF Gold Series pipe on it. It's got a little bit of surface rust, but a little bit of steel wool We'll make this thing shine like it's brand new. And it's got an FMF shorty back here. And this setup looks pretty new. It's not very faded or anything, just a little bit of rust. We'll make it look brand new. Alright, so there's the bike. So my goal with this build is just to get it done while I'm here on vacation. So I have a little under 3 weeks to get this thing done. I already got the parts in ordered. We're about to go to a segment where I show you all the parts I got for this thing. And the price I paid for this bike was $400. And I'm about to throw another $600, $700 in it. So we'll have about $1,000 in it. And you know, just have fun with it, ride it, take it to the lake, film a few things, and then I'll put it up for sale and send it. So we'll try to turn a profit on it and still have a good time on vacation. Alright, back at it again with another build. This time KX250. We need to get these parts ordered so we can get this bike built. Now I'd like to say a few words about our sponsor today, eBay, the Chinese way. You know, if you need anything, hop over to eBay because you're gonna get it your way. Now our first part we're looking at is the Wiseco fire breathing top and bottom end kit. I breathe Wiseco. This thing comes with the Wiseco carrying sack. That's the most important part of this kit right there. That's a felt sack. I put change in it. And then this bottom end kit, I absolutely have no idea what some of these parts are, but you know, I'm gonna make it work. Add to cart. And then I hate to say it, but I can't rig this one up. I need these special chink tools to get this thing apart. So we're gonna go ahead and add this one to the cart. And then look at what we got here. We got fork seals, fork bushings, and fork O-rings, all of the stuff we need to get this thing to stop spitting oil like your ex-girlfriend spits. Oh yeah, add to cart. And then we got right here, we got a seat. And I know what you're thinking, why am I worried about aesthetics when this bike doesn't even run? Well, it's because the better the bike looks, the faster it's gonna run. And so this is an Enjoy green and black. Add to cart. And then last but not least, we got the plastics. This is a pretty good kit of plastics because it comes with the graphics, and it's the same price as where I can get the plastics by themselves at most places. So we're gonna go ahead and add this one to the cart as well. Let's see what our total is. Oh sweet Jesus, okay, I'm supposed to be on vacation, not spending this kind of money, but you know, it's worth it. We're gonna have a bike, we're gonna have fun. Check out. Okay, so there's part 1 of the build. So next video, it's coming out really soon. I've already started working on the bike. It's gonna be the tear down. I'm gonna get the engine out and get the forks out and get everything ready to go, so when I get the parts, they just go in and the bike will get done quickly. So look out for the next video. It should be getting uploaded within the next few days. Okay, thank you.